Imagine a warm kulcha stuffed with spiced potatoes. Mouth-watering, right? That's exactly what we're making today. Amritsari stuffed kulchas. Hi, this is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. To make my kulcha atta, I have maida. To this, I'm adding in some sour yogurt, baking soda and some sugar. I'm going to knead this into a dough with some water. We need a semi-soft dough. To make the filling for the kulcha, I've got some boiled and mashed potatoes. To this, I'm adding finely chopped onions, finely chopped coriander leaves, red chili powder, amchur powder or dry mango powder, finely chopped green chili, some coriander seeds that have been crushed, finely chopped ginger, some jeera powder, black salt or kala namak and some kasuri methi. Mix this well and our aloo kulcha filling is ready. And mix well. My kulcha dough is kneaded. To this, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of butter and knead this well for about 8 minutes by hand, and if you're using a machine, then about 5 minutes to incorporate the butter well into the dough and make the dough really soft. My dough is kneaded, it's nice and smooth. I'm going to cover this and rest this for about 30 minutes. Fine. The kulcha dough has been rested for half an hour. I'm going to remove it on my working surface. Next, what we need to do is flatten the dough to about a ½ inch thickness, just with your fingertips. We're not rolling the dough. I'm going to take some butter and spread it on my dough. I'm going to sprinkle some dry flour on top of this. Next, we need to fold the dough. So I'm just going to take it, fold it like that. Now again, my dough needs to be flattened. So I'm basically going to repeat the process again. Flattening this to a ½ inch thickness with my fingertips. Applying some butter. Sprinkling some dry flour. And folding my dough again. And now I'm ready to cut. We'll cut about 6 to 8 pieces from this dough. If you want to make plain kulchas, you can just use it like this. Now you need to roll out your kulchas. You can apply a little dried flour and roll these out. To fill our kulchas, I'm going to put in my potato filling, gather the ends and flatten this out. When you're flattening this out, remember to do it with a very light hand. You don't want the filling coming out and you don't want whatever little layers that have gotten created with the butter and dry flour to ooze out. You can even do this with your fingertips. It's time to roast our kulchas. I'm going to just put some water on top. some kalonji. You can even put sesame seeds, the black sesame seeds, coriander seeds. You can put what you like, it's up to you. And in my hot pan, I'm going to put this face side down. This is going to cook on a slow heat. I'm going to flip my kulcha over and cook it on the other side.